Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube shorts on your account. If you are not a fan of shorts and want to focus on regular videos, stick around. First, let's quickly talk about what YouTube shorts are. They are short vertical videos that YouTube introduced to compete with platforms like TikTok. While some people love them, others prefer the traditional long form content. If you are in the second camp, here is how to disable them. Okay, to disable YouTube Shorts using your mobile app. Alright, let's start with the mobile app. Open your YouTube app. Now tap on your profile icon in the right corner. Next, go to settings, the settings which is in the gear icon. Scroll down and select General. In general, here you will find an option for shorts. If you see it, toggle it off. In my situation, it is this one, playback in feed. Here, make sure it is turned off. If it is turned on, you will see short videos day to day in your feed. So that make sure it is turned off. And that's it. You won't see shorts on your feed anymore. As you can see here, there is no shorts feed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.